Hi everyone, this is Atanas with LegalTrek and welcome back to our Christmas December update videos with Christmas background music. As you can see, I'm in one of my clients with LegalTrek and they have a matter, and we would like to add a subscription for their matter because we've agreed that we're going to charge them 5 hours a month. Previously, when a subscription was added for a limited amount of time, and let me go ahead and actually create a new subscription, then let's say this subscription would be subscription services or some other name, of course, and then when you chose limited time, the limited amount of hours you agreed upon, let's say it was 5 hours for $500, would have to be charged and invoiced separately from the subscriptions tab. No more. You are now able to select create flat charge from subscription for limited time subscriptions as well. So what the system is going to do, and of course I'm going to choose the person who bills the flat charge. So what the system is going to do now is actually it will create a flat charge for the subscription amount of $500 every month. So you'll be able to invoice that flat charge together with your other flat charges, while the system still counts the 5 hours of limited time that you've assigned to that subscription. This was only the first new addition. The second new addition is, say you have an arrangement with the customer that the unused hours carry over and go over to the next period, be it the next month, quarter, most often month. So when you check that checkbox as well, it means that if your client uses, let's say, 4 hours in December, then in January, then they're going to have 6 hours, and this is going to be counted automatically by LegalTrek. So I'm going to go ahead and save this, and I'm going to populate it with the starting date December 1st. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you do enjoy the Christmas music and Christmas as well.